We will start with the affirmation. I'll give you a powerful affirmation that will make you feel worthy every single day. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. Write the affirmation and you can say it to yourself few times, because that's how we can create that vibration of that affirmation and release that vibration in the universe. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. And this is the affirmation you should be keep saying as much as possible, and especially those of you who are struggling with feeling worthy, those of you who had this feeling of being low in self-esteem and low in energy, and somehow you keep feeling that you do not deserve your success, or you are struggling with feeling that you have that power, then this is your mantra for transformation. This is your mantra. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. Because these are the three things most people feel unworthy of because of past experiences, past negativity, things that has happened in life. So many people, they keep feeling that they are not worthy of love. And then when they keep feeling that they are not worthy of love, either they find it difficult to have good relationship, or they struggle in relationship, or they find it difficult in manifesting good relationships, not just in love life or marriage or anything, but in terms of even family relationship, relatives, and social circle and friend circle as well. So you have to feel that you are worthy of love, then worthy of joy. That why do people get depressed? Because they somehow feel that they are not worthy of joy, they are not worthy of happiness, and that's why they get stuck. They keep focusing on the negativity, and they keep feeling that like they are worthy of all the pain and suffering and negativity of life. So what is depression? Depression is when your emotion go deep downward. So what is that? You start feeling that you are worthy of only negativity, you are worthy of only pain, you are worthy of only suffering. So that point also you are feeling worthy, but you are feeling worthy of all the wrong things. So what you have to do, you have to shift that worthy towards feeling joyful, towards feeling positive, towards feeling happy. So that you have to tell yourself that I am worthy of joy, I am worthy of happiness, I am worthy of good moments, I am worthy of blessings, and then worthy of success, which is all about manifestation. Many people, they have talent, skill, everything, but they do not feel worthy of success. That's why they have been keep working a lot, doing a lot of hard work, doing a lot of things, but they are not able to create the success that they desire. Because deep down, in spite of doing everything, they are not feeling worthy that they deserve that success. That's why you have to remind yourself again and again and again, and promise yourself that I am worthy of love, joy, and success. Yes or yes? You promise to yourself that you are worthy of love, joy, and success. Yes or yes? Right? Promise. If you are promising yourself that you are worthy of your love, joy, and success, and that's what you are going to remind yourself continuously from here onward, then write, I promise. I promise. Because you have to promise yourself that you are worthy of it.